When a Raleigh heat pump runs but the rooms keep warming, protect people first, then make a short set of checks that do not open the equipment. Move older adults, young children, pets, and anyone sensitive to heat to reliable air conditioning if the home becomes unsafe. For confusion, fainting, or suspected heat stroke, call 911 and begin cooling while help is coming. Confirm the thermostat is on cool, the set point is below room temperature, and the fan is not set to run continuously by mistake. Check whether a schedule or hold changed. Do not set the thermostat extremely low, that will not repair a fault. Inspect the return filter and replace it if visibly clogged. Make sure supply registers and returns are open and clear. From outside, remove loose leaves around the unit without removing panels, reaching through the grill, or spraying electrical components. If a breaker tripped, one reset after turning the system off is enough. Leave it off if it trips again. Burning odor, buzzing, damaged wiring, heavy ice, or water near electrical parts calls for trained service rather than repeated resets. Write down indoor temperature, thermostat settings, unusual sounds, ice location, and when cooling stopped. Call when airflow remains warm, the home cannot hold a safe temperature, ice returns, or electrical symptoms appear. To locate a heat pump service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.